Ahoy! First-timers? Cruising questions and answers, your biggest worries answered. Hey there, sailors, are you dreaming of turquoise waters and endless buffets? This is Captain Mike, here to navigate you through the most common questions that send new cruisers into a tizzy. Packing. First up, what to pack and not pack. Leave the beach towels, they're provided. Also, no need for bottled water. It's a no-no on most lines, and the water is safe to drink on board. Alcohol? Check the rules, but usually a limited amount is okay. Formal wear. Depends on the line and itinerary, but pack a versatile outfit just in case. Any embarkation worries? Relax. Usually, you arrive a few hours before sailing. Bring your documents, passport, cruise confirmation. Label your luggage clearly and they'll whisk it away. Pro tip: pack a carry-on with essentials for the first night, as checked bags might take a while to reach your cabin. What are onboard daily routines and are there hidden fees? Life on board is pretty chill. Daily schedules are provided with meal times, shows, and activities listed. Speaking of meals, you have options, buffets, specialty restaurants. Reservations might be needed for these, and sometimes even room service. Hidden fees, look out for gratuities. Prepaid packages are often cheaper, shore excursion fees, and onboard purchases. Will I get seasick? Fear not, sailors. Choose a midship cabin to minimize rocking. Pack anti-nausea meds, ginger, and anti-seasick bands. Ask about patches from your doctor. Pro tip: eat light before sailing and avoid greasy foods. Food fantasies and entertainment extravaganzas. Vegetarians and vegans rejoice. Most lines offer diverse options. Be sure to check menus beforehand. How about entertainment? From Broadway-style shows to comedy clubs and poolside DJs, there's something for everyone. Don't forget the kids. Many lines have dedicated play areas and activities. Safety first. The water on board is safe to drink, medical facilities are available, and crew members are trained for emergencies. Life jackets are readily accessible, and safety drills are mandatory. Relax, it's a safe haven. Choosing your course, lines, itineraries, and budgeting. Picking the right line and itinerary can be tricky. Do your research. Consider your budget, interests, and desired level of formality. Budgeting, factor in shore excursions, onboard purchases, gratuities, and any prepaid packages. Remember, cruising can be surprisingly affordable. Traveling together, cabin chaos and conflict resolution. Family cabins exist. Look for connecting rooms or suites with multiple bedrooms. As for conflicts, communication is key. Set expectations, delegate tasks, and plan some me-time activities. Bonus tip: cruise forums and Facebook groups are gold mines for insider info and friendly advice. Don't be shy to ask questions. So there you have it, sailors. Now you're equipped to conquer those pre-cruise jitters and set sail with confidence. Remember, the first step is to book that dream vacation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more cruise tips and tricks. Have any lingering questions? Leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them.